So, how exactly do you become a coach? What are the steps you need to take to become a coach? What are the mistakes you need to avoid? How do you build a business around it? How do you make money? How do you get clients? What niche do you focus on? All of this plus more is what I will be addressing in this tutorial. Yes, I'll be walking you through step by step how to become an impact-driven, transformational, result-getting coach. Are you ready for this? No, you're not. All the same, come with me. Let me take you there. Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Temi Ajibewa, your friend and sister who helps coaches to launch and scale their coaching business to 6 figures in 90 days or less. Today, I'll take you through how to become a coach, either as a life coach, a business coach, any coach you choose you want to be. I'll run you through 6 critical steps for you to become an authority in your niche as a coach. All right? The first step here is for you to make a decision. Decide on the exact solution you want to bring to the marketplace and decide that you are in this for the long haul, okay? Not a one-time hit. You are here because coaching is so important. It's life. It involves lives and destinies, and you can't afford to just mess people up. So make a decision that this will be a career you are doing for real, not a touch and go kind of approach. Decide to stay, decide to do, decide to give your best. That's the first step to becoming a coach, because unless you make the decision to become a coach, you really are just playing. You're just wandering up and down, right? But you want to decide that you will help people. You will transform people. You will give them tools. You would empower people with your knowledge, with your expertise, with your time, with your energy. All right? That's the first one. First step is what? Make a decision. The second step is for you to get qualified. So you can get qualified from different areas of life. You can get qualified with different things. Yes, I said different things. That means you can get qualified with formal education by getting a certification, or you can get qualified with your experience. Yes. So there are some things that you have overcome, some problems that you have now mastered, which you can help other people also get solutions to. That is you being qualified. It's not just when you go to an academy and they give you a certificate. Qualified means that you actually go the extra mile to add more knowledge to what you have. It means that you add relevant knowledge. It means that even if it's a talent you have, you take this talent to Harvard and you get schooled in your arts. You get trained to have the skills required to deliver transformational results to people. So it's not enough to be experienced at it or to even have certification. You've got to be skilled, actually. You skill up. All right, to become a coach. Mind you, you can't know it all. You can't possibly know it all. You can't have all the information. So if you're thinking, no, I don't know enough, I recommend start with what you know. As you start, you will see your knowledge gaps. You will see what else you still need to figure out. The step number 3 is for you to get niched. And by the way, I have full training, a series of training on how to make your decision to be a coach, how to get qualified as a coach, and also how to get niche as a coach. So with niching, you are choosing the solution you want to provide and the people you want to provide it for. You can't possibly solve all problems, and you can't solve one problem to everybody. It's not just practicable. It's not possible, right? So you want to narrow down on the message you want to share, and also the people you want to share this message to. I mean, the solution you want to provide, actually, and the people you want to provide this solution to. The fourth step is for you to design and validate your solution, your signature solution. So yes, you design it, and then you validate it by getting actual beta clients to go through your solution and validate this. I have a full tutorial on how to design and validate your solution system. The link will be in the description below. Step number 5 is for you to position yourself. So it's not enough that you have decided to do this. It's not enough that you have gotten qualified. It's not enough that you have gotten niche. It's not enough that you have designed and validated your solution system. You must position yourself as the go-to expert. So where are your ideal clients? Where did they show up? Where did they consume news? Are they on Instagram or Facebook? Are they on blogs or on platforms? Are they on LinkedIn or on Twitter? You need to know where your ideal client spends most of his time. And you go there and position yourself with your branding, with your pictures, your content, your branding elements, your logos, your colors, your fonts, different branding elements. And I do have a tutorial on how to position yourself as an authority in your niche. It's right below this video. And then step number 6 is for you to launch. Yes, you've gotten everything right until now. It's time to launch. Get yourself out there. Sail your ship. Ask for the sale. Ask people to buy from you. Ask for the money. Make the offer. Say, okay, so I have this program. It's available for 12 weeks, for 6 weeks. Ask people to pay you for it. I hope with these 6 steps, you now have an idea of how exactly to become a coach. It's not enough to have it in your head. You've got to have it out there and implement. As you implement and get results, I'd love to hear from you. Please send me an email, temi@temiajibewa.com. And if you'd like to book a call with me, I would love to speak with you. Please apply to book a call with me using the link below this video. You'll see it right at the description section. All right? Now, if this video had made sense to you, like it, leave me a comment, and share with somebody in your community. And if you'd love to see more of my videos, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching this, and thank you for deciding to become a coach, because honestly, I don't think there are enough of us. Yes, I think the world needs more coaches than there are right now. So thank you for considering becoming a coach. I look forward to having you in the community of coaches. Take care and bye for now.